Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will going to know how to download and install Notepad++. Go to the browser, your favorite browser, and type Notepad++. You can see it's appeared first Notepad, notepad.plus.plus.org downloads. Click on that link. You can see the current version. There are so many here. Just download the current version. After clicking the current version, you can see here download 32-bit and download 64-bit. You can download which version you want. For laptop, 64-bit, and for desktop, we can do 32-bit. You can download whatever version you want. And dark theme, it's just an on and off button. I just tried that. Now we will download 64-bit by clicking the button installer. I usually save all the applications in desktop, and afterward I will move that. Uh, you can see here it's downloading. It is 1.9 MB. After that, click on that. It's completed. Click on that. Here there are so many languages are there. It's in English. We usually download with English. Click on English. English, okay. And after that, next. I usually would do this, and I agree. Here in the program, so it's downloading. It will install it, and click on the check mark, create shortcut on desktop, and click install. It's finished. Here you can see it's finished and it's downloaded. You will see now how to uh, write in HTML in Notepad, and how to save the file in our desktop. We will also see that, and check some little bit HTML also. Headings are there will be 6 headings in HTML: H1, H2, H3. We are save as, and while saving, it's in desktop. While saving, we have to change the save as type. save as type has HTML. Here there are so many softwares are there: PHP, HTML, CSS, so many. This is HTML, hypertext markup language. We selected and saved the file. You will go to desktop and look at our file and click on how it will show to us. There are so many files are there. I have to remove all these files. We'll find out by searching. Click on search desktop. Here is the file. I didn't save the file. I saved the file and coming back to here and searching the file. Now you can see H1 tag that I had used. Now we came here back and we'll type all the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Now I am saving this. Now you see H6, H5, H4, H3, H2 and H1. You can see all the headings. This is just the beginning of HTML. We'll learn more about HTML in the coming videos. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.